Now let's walk through these core factors one by one. The first is moisture, mold, and temperature. Moisture is one of the leading contributors to indoor air quality problems, and the trouble is, it rarely stays contained. A slow leak, a patch of condensation, a room that never quite dries out, any of these can quietly set the stage for mold growth. And once mold takes hold, the consequences compound quickly. Negative health impacts for occupants, damage to building materials, and costly remediation. Temperature is part of the story too. It directly influences humidity levels, which in turn drive condensation, which circles right back to mold. The good news is that schools have real control here. By promptly repairing leaks, ensuring proper ventilation, and correctly programming HVAC systems, schools can keep temperature and humidity in balance before problems have a chance to develop. The second category is air contaminants, the gases and particles that affect both health and learning. Some of these contaminants come from inside the building itself. Carbon dioxide builds up naturally wherever people gather. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, off-gas from building materials and everyday products. Others sneak in from outside or from equipment, like carbon monoxide from fuel-burning appliances or idling vehicles, or particulate matter from dust and combustion. And then there are respiratory viruses, which spread simply through the act of breathing in a shared space. What's worth noting is that the response to all of these air contaminants follows the same basic logic. Ventilate adequately, maintain your HVAC system, and, wherever possible, reduce or eliminate the source itself. The third factor brings together chemicals, cleaning, and pest management. 3 things that might seem like straightforward maintenance, but that have a real impact on the air students and staff breathe every day. The tension here is a familiar one. The products that keep a school clean and sanitary can also introduce unhealthy airborne chemicals if they're not chosen and used carefully. Cleaning products, disinfectants, pesticides, all necessary, but all potentially problematic in the wrong concentrations or in the wrong hands. The path forward isn't to stop cleaning or stop managing pests. It's to do both more deliberately. That means favoring low-emission, greener product formulations, making sure staff know how to use them correctly, and adopting an integrated pest management approach, one that treats pesticides as a last resort rather than a first response.